Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wondered how to supercharge your retirement savings when you're self-employed? The Solo 400 1K is an amazing tool designed specifically for you. What makes it unique is that you get to wear two hats, both an employee and an employer. This dual role means you can contribute money in two different ways, potentially allowing for much higher savings than other plans. It's a powerful way to invest in your future. So let's dive into the details of calculating those contributions. First, let's look at your employee contribution. Think of this like your personal salary deferral. You can contribute up to 100% of your self-employment income, but only up to the annual IRS limit, which changes each year. For example, in 2024, this limit is $23,000 or $30,500 if you're 50 or older. It's a straightforward calculation based on your earnings, ensuring you don't exceed that set maximum amount. Next up is the employer contribution, which can be a bit trickier. As the employer, your business can contribute 25% of your net earnings from self-employment. Now, net earnings isn't just your gross income. It's your business profit after deducting things like 1/2 of your self-employment tax and certain retirement plan contributions. This calculation ensures your contribution is based on your true business income, not just your top-line revenue. While you have two separate contribution types, there's also an overall annual limit for your Solo 400 1K. This means the sum of your employee deferral and your employer's profit-sharing contribution cannot exceed a certain dollar amount set by the IRS each year. For example, in 2024, this combined limit is $69,000, or $76,500 if you're 50 or older. It's crucial to stay within this ceiling for tax compliance. Finally, a few important considerations. Tax laws and contribution limits can change yearly, so always refer to the official IRS publications for the most up-to-date information. If these calculations feel complex, or you want to optimize your strategy, a financial advisor or tax professional can offer personalized guidance. Remember, consistency in contributing is key to building substantial wealth over time. A Solo 400 1K is a powerful tool. Use it wisely for a secure financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.